Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. Just a reminder that everything shared here is based on my personal experience. US Bank offers a range of personal loan options, making it a potential avenue for financing various needs. Whether you're looking to consolidate debt, cover unexpected expenses, or finance a home improvement project, a personal loan could be a suitable solution. Navigating through their website, you'll find information on personal loans and lines of credit, providing detailed breakdowns of each option's features and benefits. Specifically, their personal loan page at https://www.usbank.com loans credit lines personal loans and lines of credit personal loan.html https://www.usbank.com/loans-credit-lines/personal-loans-and-lines-of-credit/personal-loan.html offers a comprehensive overview of what they offer. You can explore their range of loan amounts, interest rates, and repayment terms to find the best fit for your financial situation. They emphasize a streamlined application process, aiming to make borrowing as convenient as possible. It's important to carefully review all terms and conditions before committing to any loan agreement. Consider factors such as April, fees, and repayment schedule to ensure the loan aligns with your budget and financial goals. Remember, responsible borrowing involves thorough research and understanding the full implications of your financial decisions. Exploring different lenders and comparing offers can help you secure the most favorable terms. US Bank's personal loan offerings present one possible solution, but be sure to investigate other options available to you. Consider your individual circumstances and explore all avenues before making a final decision. Borrowing wisely is crucial for maintaining long-term financial health.